It's got my beater. It's an Accord 94. There's exhaust leaking out, or you can smell it when I first bought this. But luckily I bought off my friend, and he got a mechanic to basically redo all of the exhaust system with new piping and a new flex pipe. But the mechanic was never able to find a leak that he complained about, my friend, that he complained about. But I was able to find this leak. I've done this three, four times already. But the simplest solution to find leaks, no matter what, I found as a chemical engineer, when I had to find leaks in pipes and all that, pipelines, the easiest is always to use soap and manually walk down the line, or any bubbling agent. It does not necessarily have to be soap, but I use soap because it's readily available and cheap, and most people have it in their house. Again, so the setup didn't cost much money. Just a regular old shop vac. This is exhaust and intake. So if you want to suck, you can suck, but if you want to blow, this shop vac is 1.25 horsepower, as you can see, is providing enough exhaust air or pressure, or basically pressurizing the system. So exhaust out of the shop vac, out into the exhaust of the tailpipe of the car. There's dual pipe, so obviously you can close one down, tape it up, and basically I just taped it into the pipe itself just to make sure it didn't leak or anything. So I'll turn it on, I'll show you. So with my soap bottle, you just go underneath the car, and basically at all the joints you start spraying. So we just go down and spray these joints with the soapy water. And that's what I like about this bottle. I use for watering, but it's multi-purpose. You can see it's starting to bubble. In areas that it's bubbling, it's telling me there's a leak. You can see up there's none. Up there's none too. Wherever I spray with the soap, and you can see bubbling, be a little, it's cheap. You can see, other than where, in between the actual flex pipe, these joints. So in another video, I'll show you how to basically make these joints where you can see the bubbles are airtight, so exhaust air doesn't leak out and go into the passenger seats or behind. Alright, stay tuned.